This is the Huawei Porsche design Mate RS smartphone. It is incredibly expensive, and I've done an entire video as to how I feel about it being so expensive. Watch that if you're interested, but this is my signature ethical unboxing video. I will look inside this box in a second, but this is also a video where I will announce the winner of an Honor 8 and an Honor 9. Ran a giveaway for the Honor 8, a competition for the Honor 9. At the end of this video, I will wrap up by reading out some shout outs. The reason it's taken a while to announce the winner is because A, had a lot of stuff on, but B, your entries were so good. I'm actually torn between three. When I get to the end of this video, I should have made my mind up. But first, the ethical unboxing. Okay, on the left-hand side, you can see TÜV Rheinland certified. This is all pertaining to the fast charging, supercharging. In fact, it is safe fast charging. Tests indicate so. It's also printed on soy ink. The box, soy ink is better than petroleum ink printing for the environment. And you've also got mixed recycled sources for paper. Now this is mixed, it isn't 100%. There are areas where we could improve on this, but at least it's a step in the right direction. The box is also recyclable, and the phone has got an eco logo gold standard, which the Samsung Galaxy S8 was the first phone to get, so it's nice to see Huawei following suit there. You also have Qi wireless charging on board as well. As for what is inside the cardboard box, open it up to reveal the phone. The back piece of plastic that you can peel off is going to be dependent on your region whether it's recyclable. Probably not. Powering up the phone, I can tell you a little bit about the battery tech inside because it's very cool. It's kind of like Qnovo tech in Sony phones. It's smart, it gets to know when you charge your phone so that it slows down the charge so that it doesn't wear your battery very quickly. There's also a little certification card indicating that this is an official Porsche design bit of kit. It has multiple power plugs inside. You've got a European and a UK supercharge plug, as well as two USB-C cables. So that's handy in the sense that it might save you buying an additional plug or adapter or whatever it is. And if it does, then that'll reduce on packaging. You can see you've got the two USBs, you've got headphones as well. Again, might prevent you having to buy headphones. And you've got a case, a folio case. Folio case from a utility point of view is a bit annoying just because when you have it open all the way, it covers up the camera. It's also leather, so if you've got any vegans out there, you probably won't be into this specific accessory. And down below the folio case, you can see you've got a box with a micro SIM eject pin, and there is also a dongle, 3.5mm to USB-C, and 0.7 recyclable. So not recyclable in every region, but it might be in yours. Other key specs of this thing: 4000 milliamps of battery under the hood, 24 megapixel front camera, 40 megapixel primary and rear camera, along with two additional cameras. You can also pick it up in 256 gigabytes or 512 gigabytes. So it's going to set you back over 2,000 euros for the 512 gigabyte variant. It's also packed with everything you'd expect: Quad HD OLED display, IP67 waterproofing, and stereo speakers as well. And now onto the competition and giveaway results. Starting with the giveaway, the winner of the Honor 8 is Bunty in India. Thank you for subscribing to the channel and following on Twitter. I will be emailing you, and hopefully an Honor 8 will be winging its way to you upon your reply very soon. And now the Honor 9 competition. I asked you guys to suggest a video that I can make, and first off, some honorable mentions to Finley, to Rockwell, to Dominic, to Eric. You all really smashed it with your suggestions. The issue with the suggestions, like Eric's battery tech suggestion and like Dominic's suggestion to go into a factory, or at least take a look at factory working conditions. This kind of goes beyond the scope in terms of time that I have right now. I can't really get into some investigative journalism as much as I would like to. So honorable mention to you guys, but the more realistic videos that I was able to make and connect with, and which will get turned into our videos, come from, drumroll, okay, third place, which is going to be a smaller prize. Kenneth wanted to know about the repairability of a smartphone and what manufacturers are doing, can do. I've actually got an interview lined up with someone who repairs smartphones for a living, so watch out for that video. Second runner-up, who will receive a slightly bigger prize, goes to Kaiser Faith. Wanted to know about the ethics of smart assistants, what's being done with all the stuff that you say, and I just want to know more about it. That's going to be wrapped up into a broader privacy video, so I can't wait to make that one. And the winner is Tom Ripley, who wants to know about the different kinds of Gorilla Glass 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now this seems like an obvious video that should have been on the internet for a very, very long time. But it isn't. So, and it's also not really easy to find either, that information. With manufacturers still making Gorilla Glass 3 screens, I just think that this is a tool that will really help people wanting to know. Also, what will the implications be? Will it help your phone last longer at all? Or is it all just marketing gumph? Also, I'll take a look at the Moto Z2 Forces Shatter Shield display, which is more hardy than Gorilla Glass in a lot of respects, and do a few tests. So that's been an unboxing video of the Mate RS and an announcement of who won our competitions. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Remember, if you like the channel, subscribe to it, share it with people who you think will enjoy this kind of content, and stay tuned. There will be a lot more of this to come. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.